Hello, today we will guide you through how to follow people on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find the community area, browse shared portfolios, called pies, and follow the investors you want to keep up with. This works on the web and in the app, and the menu names are the same even if the layout looks a little different. Start by opening Trading 212 in your browser or launching the app. Make sure you're on your own account and that you have a stable internet connection so pages load quickly. If you use multiple modes such as Invest or ISA, ensure you're in a section where community features are available, as that's where you'll be able to browse shared content. Look to the top right corner of the screen. Next to the three horizontal lines, you'll see a highlighted icon that opens quick navigation. Select that icon. This pulls up options that help you jump straight to social and discovery features without digging through every tab. From the menu that appears, choose Communities. This takes you into Trading 212's Social Hub, where investors share ideas, insights, and most importantly for this guide, their public pies. Give the page a moment to load the feed. You can scroll to explore featured creators and see what's trending. If something interests you, you can always tap into a profile to learn more before you decide to follow. Now select pies within the communities area. Pies are shared portfolios that display the assets inside, their target allocations, and performance history. This view focuses your browsing specifically on what people are building and sharing, making it easier to compare approaches. Take your time here. Open any pie to read the description, understand the strategy, and check the holdings. Look for diversification, time horizon, and how often the creator updates or rebalances. When you find a person or pie you want to keep up with, click Follow. Following adds them to your personal feed so you can see updates, new posts, and changes they share. It's a convenient way to learn from others' perspectives and track ideas over time. Remember, following someone does not automatically invest your money or copy their trades. It simply keeps you informed. If you later decide a profile isn't for you, you can return to that page and unfollow just as easily. That's all there is to it. Open Trading 212, use the top right icon to reach communities, switch to pies, and press follow on the creators whose work you want to track. Browse thoughtfully, do your own research, and use following as a learning tool to stay organized and inspired. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.